The electrocardiogram, commonly known as ECG, is a medical tool used to monitor the rhythm and electrical activity of the heart. In an extraordinary advancement for personal health technology, Apple has incorporated an ECG feature into its smartwatches. However, the Apple Watch ECG not working is an issue many people face. This tutorial will guide you on how to do an ECG on Apple Watch and understand the readings to better manage your heart health. Before we proceed, it's essential to have the ECG app installed on your Apple Watch. After you've set up the ECG feature, let's explore how to take an ECG on Apple Watch. First, open the ECG app. Tap the digital crown on your Apple Watch, then open the ECG app. Then rest your arms on a table or in your lap. Hold your finger on the digital crown, but avoid pressing it. The app will begin reading your heart's electrical signals. Stay still for 30 seconds until the countdown ends. Once done, you'll see your results and any noted symptoms. You can tap Save to document your symptoms, then tap Done. To ensure the accuracy of your ECG readings, here are some suggestions on how to use the ECG on Apple Watch. Avoid physical exertion before taking a reading. Try to rest for at least 5 minutes before starting the process. The watch should be snug but comfortable on the top of your wrist. Avoid wearing it too loose or too tight. Make sure your wrist and Apple Watch are clean and dry. Wet or sweaty skin can affect the ECG readings. Avoid unnecessary movements or shaking during the process, as it can interfere with the reading. Understanding your ECG result is vital in monitoring your heart health. Here are 6 possible results that your Apple Watch ECG app might show. The sinus rhythm. This means your heart is beating in a regular pattern. Atrial fibrillation. This refers to an irregular rhythm that could indicate AFib, a form of irregular heart rhythm. Low heart rate or high heart rate. The ECG app can check for AFib if your heart rate is below 50 BPM or above 120 BPM on ECG version 1 or above 150 BPM on ECG version 2. If the app can't classify the heart rhythm, the result will be inconclusive. This means your watch couldn't get a clean enough ECG reading to analyze it. These results shouldn't replace professional medical advice. If you notice irregularities or feel unwell, please consult a healthcare provider.